Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Bugs Puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Bugs Puzzle has difficulty level 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all bugs inside the frame. This puzzle is made of different types of wood. The frame is made either from pink oak or dark oak, and the bugs are made of the mixed woods. If you take a closer look at the frame first, you will find that it is very unusual frame. First of all, it is unusual puzzle for the Alexander Majoric, since most of his puzzles are kind of a 3D cube-shaped puzzles, but this one is a 2D puzzle, since you have to deal only with one layer, but you have to move the bugs around the frame. But also Pelikan made a great job on creating a frame. First of all, you can use it as a picture. You can hang it on a wall using this cutout for the nail. Second, it is like a tiny puzzle box. You have to find how to open it. It is so well made that you can hardly see any gaps, and it is not easy to find how to open it, but it is not also very difficult. So to open it, just slide the right part out like this, and that's how you open the frame. There are a couple of magnets. Two of them are here, and two magnets are on this side of the frame, and that's how the lid is held. Now you can try to solve the puzzle, and that's going to be quite a challenge, since every time you try to put the bugs, you will find that you can fit 3 of them, but never 4 bugs at the same time. So for example, now I can fit only 2 of them. For example, like this one, I can probably fit this one somewhere, probably like this. Yeah, I can fit 3, but there is not enough space for the last one. So you have to figure out the way how to fit all of them, and then when you are able to fit all parts, you can close the lid and put the solved puzzle on your wall. So it's going to be an unusual puzzle, since most of your puzzles are probably stored on a shelf or in boxes or on your desk, but this one you can hang it on the wall. If you like Bugs Puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.